Hi, today we are going to have a small presentation about how to operate the Huawei Smart TV. The operate means like if you need to have a good presentation, you want to know how to switch on, how to run the presentation and so that we are going to have the whole process from the beginning, from the fundamental things and as well as some sort of advanced things we are going to discuss today. So first of all, that you should be able to know how to switch on the smart board. It's very simple. You just move to onto the left hand side. There will be a small power switch. It is on off switch. You can see that it's very clearly on and off. Click on the button on side. So then after that, there will be another small reset button that is also inbuilt with the Huawei Smart TV. Switch on that, just press it to switch on the small reset button. So after that, you need to be patient. Sometimes, like somewhere it's in 30 seconds until the display will be on the screen. So that is the fundamental part of that, your switch on this Huawei Smart TV. After that, from the beginning, the Android the version that I will discuss later, what is the Android. So before that, Android version will be on the screen. So you need to select, particularly when you discuss about the interfaces. Operating systems, just we call that interfaces. Two interfaces are inbuilt with this Huawei board. The one is Android, another one is Windows. If you want to use the Windows, you are familiar with the Windows, yes, you can use the Windows. Otherwise, the Android, the screen, you can use some sort of the few activities, such as like whiteboard. So whiteboard is already been inbuilt with the Android version. Here is the interface directly connected to the AC power supply. So here is the cable. It's look like the same. So you need to plug this AC power plug into the particular place. Then after that, you can see that small power button. It is inbuilt with this Huawei Smart TV. So when you start, like it is in a 0, that means no power, means like it's off. When you press it 1, now switch on the entire TV. So after that, you can see that when you just move little from the bottom of the smart TV, and on the right hand side, there's a small light is blinking. That is a reset button. When you press this reset button, you heard some small noise. That means the already switched on the system. It is an operating system is switched on. So when you switch on that reset button, now display will be slowly coming. It will take sometimes few seconds, might be 30 to 40 minutes. Need to be patient. After that, you can see that the screen will be appeared as like this. Here is the screen that you can see on this smart board. So if you just move on to the right hand side, that the applications which are available on this smart board you can see, but those are very common applications, but most probably you no need to know about those applications, because that these particular applications, required applications, already been installed by the IT team for this machine. The Android applications are available as like this. So if you need to use any application from here, so you can use it. For example, like Teams, Microsoft Teams, if you need to log into the team, so Microsoft Teams, then you can just press on this application and you can use it. But now, and as well as the Microsoft, and as well as the Zoom, if you need to have a video conferencing, so you can click on the Zoom. Likewise, and whiteboard. The whiteboard, if you need to whiteboard, you can use the whiteboard. For example, I will show you that how to use the whiteboard. So when you click on this, the Android, the system. So you can just move to the left hand side and click on the whiteboard, or else that it is already been there on the first screen. So click on the whiteboard. So with the white background, the whiteboard, it's look like this. So if you need to change the color, background color, it's very simple. So what you want to do is click on the settings, then you can just select whatever. It's only few options are there. So select the black or gray or white. So if white is very easy to use for, and as well as most of them are using the white background, so therefore select the white. After that, there are some options to select the color. So if you need a black color, you can use the black, right? So, or else that if you need use the red, you can use the red. So likewise, you can use the whatever that your preferred color from the taskbar. There is a bar called it's the taskbar. Taskbar, it's available. And if you need to erase the particular part, you can just click on the eraser and erase it. So very simple. And ultimately, so if you need to save this, whatever that your the work has been done. So for example, like, okay, I need to save this one. So what you have to do is there will be a icon, the save icon button is there. When you click on that and click on the save, then it will be saved, the names, and there will be another button to save it, right? The name has given here. If you need to change the names, you can just press this one and you can type whatever the names, or I just use the existing name, whatever it's available, right? And the locations are very important. It is device whiteboard is the location where that the particular file is being saved. Now click on that, then file has been saved, particular the location. So that's the simple scenario. And as well as if you need to use the pen, of course, like it's already available, this pen is very reliable to use it, or else that as I use like your finger also might be accepted. So pen is very reliable when you're writing the things, so then very easy to manage by yourself. Okay, if you need to have different screens, you can use this plus button, and the second screen also will be on here now available to use it. Then you can use that one also simultaneously. The both screens you can change it. For example, like, okay, I use this, right? This is my first screen, my second screen. If you need to move the previous one, yes, it is of course available. As such, then you can use multiple pages to use the different presentations. I hope like this is more than enough about the whiteboard. We'll move on to the next step, that what we need to do it. Firstly, I like to tell you that how would you connect the internet, this smart board connect with the Wi-Fi. So I will show you that how to connect that Wi-Fi connections with this the Huawei smart TV settings. Okay, settings, when you click on the it is there on the taskbar, we call that the settings. Then after that, just when you move up and down, advanced, then Wi-Fi. So here the Wi-Fi connections are already available, right? How then I will show you that how to click on the gain. When you click on the settings, then move up, then advanced and Wi-Fi. When you click on the Wi-Fi, you can see that available Wi-Fi connections in this environment. So then you need to select that whatever that your choice. So JTech is the Wi-Fi connections that I have been connected here. So if you click on that, it will ask the password. So then you need to enter the particular credentials to this one, then you can log into that one. So then if you click on that, automatically it will be the dashboard here with the keypad. So you click on the numbers or whatever that it's text, then you can enter that one, right, as like this, right, and click on yes and save. So JTAG, it will take few seconds to connect with that particular router, right? After that, that icon will be changed. Yes, it's JTAG, it's connected. So then you can see that the Wi-Fi, the signal, it's available, right? That's all the how to connect. Now this whiteboard, this smart TV is already connected with the Wi-Fi connection. Very small, very simple way to understand. Okay, first of all, that you can see that the three icons are available: meetings, whiteboard, and project. Just click on that, the project. So there is a password here. There is a password or the letters, capital letters. Its advice already being given by here with some very the brief steps. Idea share, because idea share is the software or a connectivity application, this smart board and the laptop. So the open that huaweicloud.com, that is already been advised, and install this application to the laptop. So this part might be need to get some help from our IT team. So because installation is not the part of the presenter or teachers, so this part might be done by our IT team. So you need to install this application, particular your laptop. So after that, I will show you how to get the connection, because these passwords are very important to get connected with the laptop. So I will show you my laptop how to connect this Android, the smart board directly with my laptop. Okay, when you install that idea share, the icon will be on the screen as like this. It's very identical. So when you double click it, it might ask, do you need? Yes. When you click it, yes, there will be a small like this screen. So enter a projection code. As I mentioned, on the smart TV, there was the small code like password that should be entered into this here. Right, now when you enter the particular password correctly, it will shows as device connected. So there is a small icon. You need to click on that particular icon as share. So what happened now? So this same screen you can see on the smart TV. So very simple. If you are installing the particular software here, very simple. Now smart board, you can see that your entire screen. So before that, the small connectivity part, I just need to brief you, because that the Wi-Fi connections, how that this laptop connected with the smart board. So connectivity has done by like this, because a smart board has a Wi-Fi connection. It's inbuilt Wi-Fi, the connection. So a smart board, particularly for the smart board, that one you need to connect with this laptop. So I will show you that. So here you can see, when you click on that, the Wi-Fi on the top, its name called the device AP74, like its number. That of course like particular Wi-Fi connections built with the smart board. When you click this one, only you can get this connectivity. That is actually not the part is worry about the presenter or compare. So then it will done by the IT team. So that's all that the connectivity have to do it with the ideal share. There is another way. I will at the same time I will explain that how to connect with. If you need to cancel this one for a disconnected, So same time I will show you how to do it. When you double click the same icon, yeah, from the taskbar that I just selected the small icon here. When you click on that, the same like the interface will be on the screen. Then there is a small the icon is there, button is there called stop share. Just click on the stop share. This connectivity has been disabled. So now there is no any connection between the smart TV and my laptop. I will show you that another method how to connect the laptop and connect with the smart board. Idea share key. Why we need this key? This is an inbuilt key compatible with the smart TV to connect directly into the laptop. Very easy, very simple. If you have like a small software, I said idea share software, if you install that software particular laptop, but keep in your mind that software is required to install with support with our IT team. After that, even though no need to help with any IT people, you can do by yourself. What you want to do is, this is a USB supported device. You directly plug into the USB on your laptop and keep some times to detect the software which is available here or build up the connectivity between laptop and the smart TV. After that, there will be a small button. Just press a few seconds, just few seconds, like some 5-6 seconds, and just drop it. After that, your screen directly move into the smart board. So very simple. Then I will show you how to do it now. I'm going to plug the Ideal Share key device into the machine, my laptop. Once it connected with my laptop, there will be the small light indicator, and you can see the screen that it will asking the connectivity has been success. Once it shows as a success, there will be a small button top of that, the key. Press it once. Now it has been detected. So this screen will be directly move into the smart TV. So now whatever that you're doing, the things on that your laptop is the same thing, same copy will be on the smart TV. So very simple that all the presentators to use it. Then so you no need to worry about the smart TV. Whatever presentation that you wish to do it, you can do it your laptop. Everything is on the smart board. Windows operating systems is very familiar with all the users. Therefore, the smart TV is inbuilt with Windows system, with Windows license. There is no difference between the laptop or your desktop Windows system and as well as the system which is available in the smart TV. I'm going to show you that how to use the Windows operating system for your presentation. Before that, I just need to tell you something about that how to transfer your files from your laptop or your desktop which is available at your home, right? You need to get a copy of that the pen drive. So get the copy that your own presentation and plug into that this device, this pen drive into the smart board and copy. Simultaneously you can get the copy, or same time you can use your presentation here. So I'm going to show you that now how to move this Android system to the Windows system. So it's very simple. What you want to do is, here on my the left hand side, on the bottom there are 4 small icons are there. I'm just click on that particular icons. Then what happen? It is automatically move into the Windows system. Very simple. The Android to the Windows. Now this is Windows system. So before that, I'm going to show you how to transfer that your files from pen drive to the smart board. So there are two options. The option one, if you want to use the Windows applications, Windows operating system, then you need to use that your pen drive on this particular interface. It is you can see that located, it is top of the given the circuit. So is most the top one is allocated for the Windows system. So then here I'm trying to figure out that how to do it. Like when you plug it this one, yes, the small light indicator is on, that means it is positively detected. So then when you move on to the Windows, now it's positively detected just below the small signal antenna, right, the Wi-Fi antenna. So the interface, that particular interface is available. So then after that, don't use that other interfaces which are not relevant to you. Be careful, be alert on this one, because if you use that other interfaces, sometimes it might be having some false technical issues. Once you plug that the USB drive, so what happens, so you can see that the particular drive is display on the relevant devices and drives the area. So those two drivers are C and D are the inbuilt drivers, and E is the drive which is plugged onto the smart TV. So when you double click this, yes, all the presentation, whatever that the contents files are on the particular USB drive, it's available. If you need to copy this one, so then you can do whatever. So if you need to copy or run the presentation. So if want to copy directly to the smart board, you can copy, otherwise you can use that the presentation directly with your pen drive. And also, but keep in your mind, so if you want to save that your files or whatever the presentations, make sure that you are not saved on the C drive, because C drive is the system drive. The system files are available on C drive. I will show you that again. I'll minimize this and I will show you the drivers are available here. Right here, C, D, and your drive is E. Don't save the local disk C drive any data, your personal data. If you want to copy into the local disk. And also, but we are not responsible that your data are installed here, because this is temporary locations. If you want, you save it there and use it. After that, just delete it and go. So because this is a common location where that all the presenters are using. So keep your USB drive all the your presentations. I'll show you that the PowerPoint here. There is a PowerPoint presentation. I make it like to show you that how to do the presentation. So there are plenty of slides available on this my presentation. So I just click on the first slide and you can run your presentation as like this. You can just cancel from here and ensure just back to the screen. You can cancel the presentation. It's nothing the special things. If you need to save this one, you can click yes, or otherwise you can cancel it. You come back to the drive. So it's very simple. It's not much harder things, because the same thing what you are doing in your laptops or computers, but you need to just to practice it sometimes. That's all that you need to on this one about the presentation. At the same time, you can use this screen if you want, right, for different purposes. Even if you want to use the internet, you can click on the internet. If you have an internet connectivity, your Wi-Fi connections, then your internet is already available. Whatever that slide, the browsers that you need, for example like Chrome, you click on the Chrome and you can get the contents. You can browse the internet, you can download the data, whatever that it's on live to, it's equivalent to that your presentation, right? So those are the things that you can use with this Windows, because Windows system is now, I hope like you may know, it's in deep, but here only that you want to know how that might be use it. Finally, I will show you that how to shut down how to off the smart TV. It is not just switch off the button, but we need to have switch off the Android operating system. So click on this power button, and there are three options: the sleep, restart and shutdown. If you need to restart, if there is any stuck on that on the way, so then you can restart button. Otherwise, what you want to do is you just press on the shutdown button, and you need to wait, you need to patient until switched off the entire screen. It will take some times. You can hear that some noise from the background. Now it has been totally shut down. I have been brief it very simply, and also but I like to summarize that whole the whatever that you need to do when you're before your presentation and after your presentation, the while you're presenting your presentation. You need to switch on the Android and as well as the smart TV. Switch on the reset button and move on to the Android screen. There are two screens. You can use it from this smart TV as inbuilt. So one is Android operating system and as well as the Windows operating systems. If you use Android, it's very simple, and as well as the Windows, also very simple. It's not much complicated, this one, if you know the fundamentals. Then you switch on, once you're on the smart TV, first of all that you can see the screen of Android. From that, you need to check whether that your Wi-Fi connectivity is active. Otherwise, you need to enter the password of the Wi-Fi connection. Then you move to your laptop. If you have a laptop, you need to share that laptop with this Android system. So what you want to do is, then you need to use the key, or else you can use click on the button where that your laptop is available, installed by the IT team. So when you click on that and just click on the project icon on the Android, then there will be a small key display on the screen. Get the copy of that, the key code, and enter the applications where that your asks. So then when you click add that type the particular number or password, it might be a text, that password, then you can directly and click on the share button, then directly connected with this your laptop and the smart TV. Or else then you can use the key as I show that, then plug into the key and keep sometimes. If the success button will be on the screen, just press the key at once, then directly connected with your laptop and the smart TV. And simultaneously, if you have your presentations on your pen drive, directly you need to plug your pen drive on particular the interface, that USB interface, where that is top of the key areas, just as there is just below the Wi-Fi antenna. So then after that, just move to the Windows. Then as the same normal computer, you just double click on the My Computer icon. So then your USB devices are available. And if you use the Android versions with your pen drives, it might be a little bit complicated, and sometimes your softwares are not available. Therefore, my advice is, if you use the presentation PowerPoint, use directly Windows. It's most reliable the system for you, and as well as it is easy to maintain. So however, but today's session said that I have already briefed it. If you have any questions, any queries on particularly for this, any confused, please forward directly for the IT team. They will be handled and give you the instruction for you. Thank you very much.